Okay, go ahead and mix it up. I was told to do this in less than 4 minutes. My best time was 23 seconds, but that was years ago. I usually hover around 1 minute. Tonight I'm a little tired though, but I'm sure I can still do it in less than 4. So, there you go. This is my wife mixing it all up for me so that we know it's all mixed up. Tell me when you think you're good.
I think anytime.
Okay. Is that good? That's all mixed up. All right. Okay, then just keep filming. All right. And ready? All right, let's see here. I haven't done this as a competition in a long time. The good old days, right? And there you go. All done.